Danky, danky, danky. I see a jet going for box. Carrying on.
Any of you watching a new TV show called Black Sails?
No, not good. Is that any good?
It has potential to be great. The problem is that it's about Treasure Island.
Yeah.
The captain that buried the treasure was like more flipped.
Yeah.
And it's about him and his crew when Long John Silver or John Silver, you know, the TV show joined. It's about where they get the treasure from and stuff. Like, at the moment I don't see it being able to last more than one season. But it's, I mean the acting is good, but it's the least pirate-like show I've ever seen about pirates. They've only been in the boat. They've only been in the boat for the first 10 minutes of the first episode. There's 3 episodes so far. I haven't seen the inside of the boat since.
I gotta go, but I'm gonna stay on battlefield. I'll see you guys later. Okay.
Fun talking to you, go.
Yeah, fuck you, dude.
Hello, Jelly.
Charlie is now under our control.
Oh.
User disconnected from your channel.
Tank. Captain, 2 tanks on your left.
I know, I'm dead.
I'm fucking running after I see 3 tanks there now. I'm fucking running. All the rest of our tanks I think are aimed at A and B.
Then I realized, oh, there's a train.
And lying on the outside doesn't work when the guy can see people driving over you.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Can you make room for me in the squad?
There's a tank at golf.
Who are you asking?
First
Hey.
Yeah. Can you make room in the squad? You're a bit quiet.
Oh, am I? Sorry.
Yeah, or your mic is a bit close to your mouth.
Who, mine?
No.
How about now? Yes, of you. Of course, yours.
You can hardboard or the front don't choose one.
Oh, this big dick. Oh!
There we go.
No, now you're down. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bring that jet to me.
Before you even leave the fucking base.
Okay.
Shit. Safe.
What the fuck have I been hit by?
Fucking C4 Jeeper. See ya.
Stinger! The guy with the stinger. Gee, 4 people. 2 for a squad. Flag. Kill him.
There's 2 of them. Oh, well, about 6 of them now. It's Alpha and Bravo. There's quite a few of them around there far, and I think they've got stingers as well. Sorry, doggy.
Watch out, guys, they're behind. Hey. Coming.
Objective Bravo has just been neutralized.
Bless you.
Bless you. It sounded a bit like a hidden sneeze, so it must be fog.
It was coming, and then it stopped, and then it came with a vengeance.
Whee! Triple kill. Thank you with your total fucking chance of a helicopter.
How does one stop from the corner and take out the tank?
Oh shit.
Don't spin. And he's done it again.
Just taking control of objective Charlie.
Oh, fuck.
User in your channel timed
Who the
out.
fuck's locking me up? I'm fucked. Very much so. Very, very shit.
Ah, damn. You lost see my body in the building.
That's what happens when you try and kill me and you got attack there.
Another one coming up, two coming up.
Why do they always pop flares after you fucking...
The delay. I get that all the time. I don't even hear the lock on until I've been hit.
It's stupid because they just fucking sit there and then you see them pop flares. I just normally fire one missile now. So they pop flares and then finish them off.
Fucking snipers are all over in those buildings.
Oh, what the fuck?
Maybe I know when they catch you.
They must be sacking the door launcher inside of Alpha.
Enemy shot you. I think enemy shot you. Objective Alpha is neutralized. 我们看到了敌军飞机。
Little fuckers parachuted.
I have spotted the enemy AT-7. Just keep to your position. We have just taken control of objective Bravo.
There's a load that's after coming from Echo.
Have eyes on enemy sniper. Just west of your location.
Oh, we got an attack
看
jet
到了
coming.
敌军反弹热兵，敌方飞机就在我们上面。Just west of your location.
Don't have to do rabbit.
发
Try
现了
fired on that.
发现了敌军直升飞机，
If you get anything forward, just bring it towards me.
enemy
Shoot it down
transformer
for you.
vehicle.
can't shake them. Look, it's Bale.
Yeah. No one. Thank you.
Fucking stupid leg.
We now control objective Alpha.
There's still enemies behind A.
Oh, wanker.
I'm looking now. Yeah, yeah, I see them.
Where person?
Two of them on the rocks.
I got one.
There's still there's well, there's three I'm seeing now. There's one inside the building that's between them both. Just watching if their aircraft can sneak up on them.
Jump down, person, jump down.
One going into Alpha now.
Get him, Percy? Nice.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. I was distracting him. I didn't fire and shot.
Yeah, but I have a fail. I had a fail.
Let him.
Still one on the right.
Unbelievable.
Got it.
Perfect.
What is it? A fucking jetpack? It's fucking retarded.
Need some ammo there, Perseus?
Yeah, I'll come back. Don't worry. It's okay.
Okay, place one here in the house.
Thanks.
You got a jeep going for Bravo. Bye bye, drunk.
Promoted, yay!
Ooh, 92?
92.
Almost there.
Yeah, like in the summer.
Yeah.
You know what?
In the summer, in August, you'll be there. At 100 there.
Well, that's the thing with this Battlefield 4 is taking